What's good, people on below? We got another video today. We pulling up to Whole Foods, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get some groceries. I don't know if I'm gonna speak to y'all while I shop though, cause I don't know if I can. We're in here just getting some groceries. Get something to cook. Might need some fruit or something like that. Definitely going to get some. Looking for some Brussels sprouts. I got the finger of the camera. So this is kind of like a little mini grocery haul, but it's a video. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a video. I might mash this up with another video I got. 2 for $7. That's like 2 for $3.50. That's $3.50 for one of these 12 pouches. Yeah, I like that. We got Annie's fruit snacks. You know they vegan, of course. $3.50. Cause it's 2 for $7. Oh, the member price is 2 for $6.30. Shoot, that's $3.15. Quick math right there. Let me show y'all what we got though. We got these. We got some cereals. This is some great cereal right here. We got a light snack. Siete, some kale, some ranch, and some Caesar. Vegan, of course. Vegan Parmesan. We got sweet potatoes. And we got some avocados. I am looking to get some milk. I'm gonna get some, I think cashew milk, I believe. And then we out of here, for real. Gotta go to Food Line and get some water. They got the only water I like. I'm not seeing the milk I get. It's only like 3 ingredients. There you go. It's $7.29 though. Yeah, I ain't getting that. I'm getting this. Do I want the cashew or the? Oh, I'm gonna get the cashew. Unsweetened. Right there. Only a few ingredients. I think that's it. That's all I need. Let me look. And I got all the way in there to check out, and I forgot my card. Hopefully it's in the car though. I ain't trying to go back to the crib. We're gonna see. But the total was like $60. I got a few extra things. I got some pasta, I got a couple things actually. Let me check this. All right, folks. I know this is not official grocery haul, and I just did, showed y'all little things while I was getting. You know what I'm saying? Dinner about to be cooked up in a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and make a quick video because I wasn't gonna be able to make the normal video where I tell you something the Lord want me to tell you. You know what I'm saying? Mama come at, it's still this week though. I'm trying to be more consistent. So I'm gonna tag on the old footage, try some Mama Wok on here. I stopped by a Food Line, got some stuff, some grocery stuff. Ended up spending like $80. I spent $20 at Food Line, I think $60 at Whole Foods. So yeah, we're just gonna log out of that, man, right quick. Log up into this other video. I'm gonna catch y'all the next time on the flip side, and y'all just be ready. Y'all comment down below what type of video. So I got a couple of stuff in the works. So I'm a vegan. If you don't know, I'm a vegan. I eat a lot of plant-based foods. Don't eat a lot of the fox meat, the fake meat type stuff. Excuse me, but I do want to do, a couple of restaurant reviews, and that's why I'm doing this Mama Wok one. There's a couple of places I've been to that I haven't, done food reviews on. I just go there. So we're gonna get that settled. If y'all want to see it, comment down below. But till the next time, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. And we back up in the mix, man. Look, I'm on another video. Where you pulling up to? You see that Mama Wok? We about to have a mukbang, man. And we're just gonna talk about the good things and how we gonna keep them. You excited for that mukbang?
Yeah. I'm sure you gotta bring the camera down.
She's sure I gotta bring the camera. I'm gonna ask them can I record. I ain't bring no tripod or nothing. But we're gonna eat up in here and we're gonna eat good. Alright, so we in the spot. We got a nice menu. Let's see what she gotta say. What you gotta say?
I'm excited. We're gonna try these sesame balls. That's how I word it. But they got sweet potato in them. And they're fried on the outside and they have like sesames on them. I never had them before, but we're gonna see. Hopefully they're good. Mikhail is making us try them.
You said you wanted. So we got some sesame balls. They're pretty hot too.
This is good.
That's what the inside look like.
Where's cinnamon? What is that?
Smells good. That's a sweet potato, I believe.
A yellow one, you think?
No, the brown sweet potato.
It is? I think it's like a donut or something.
I guess it tastes good. Definitely Chinese. Look at that in your mouth. I don't think she's feeling it, y'all. I don't think she's feeling it. You're not feeling it? I need a better camera for real. I'm using my phone. But she's not feeling it.
You want this one?
Yeah, I'll take it. It don't taste too bad. It tastes very Chinese-ish though. If that's a word. I don't know if they got sauce with it though.
And then I'm gonna do lasagna with
Pretty good, I guess. Got a cinnamon touch.
pancake mix or something to it.
Yeah, it is like a pancake-ish.
We can do it together.
I don't know.
Yes, please. Together.
Quick correction. It's filled with red bean paste.
How do you know that? Oh, it says it right here.
Oh.
Paste. It says not a base. Paste.
That's why I said paste.
Oh, I thought you said base. I'm sorry.
It's a red bean paste. I thought it was sweet potato. It's hot.
I wonder what I'm Chinese
good.
donuts like.
So we got the sesame chicken here with the brown rice. She got General So
Yeah, it's so good.
with brown rice. We're about to check it out right here. Dog. So actually it's sesame vegan meat, not sesame chicken.
Oh, we can never try those.
But I call it sesame chicken, so.
You try one?
You wanna try one of mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and get one. We're gonna try it.
So yesterday they had already been it's like we talked a little bit. Just talking about stuff.
You like it?
Back in.
Let me try that right now.
And I was like, I'm not ready. And she was like, my son just lives like close by, so
I apologize. It's the General So. They look the same.
Yeah.
They do look the same though. The sesame has a sweeter smell, sweeter taste. Sure. Thank you. Don't talk about her on my blog.
Sorry.
I ain't cutting it out either. They ain't offering me no chopsticks. I don't know if that's racist or not, but I know how to use them. I put my mind to it.
It tastes different. It's different from the time that we had it before.
This is my third time. My fourth time being here.
Yeah, because I think it's been here.
First time eating there. First time getting sesame chicken. That's good. Hey. It's supposed to be a mukbang, but it's not really a mukbang. What is that?
I think it's the way we sitting.
What about it?
The table's kind of far. Like if I sit all the way back, I'm gonna be back here. I'm a little short, so.
Yeah, we know.
Alright. But this is good though.
Got them braces off and stop showing them teeth. So, I just devoured my food. Let's see, yeah. She's still working on the plate. But my plate is over with. And they going crazy in the back. I don't know what they're talking about.
Sorry. That nigga going crazy.
They going crazy. I'm trying to hold it so y'all can't see my fingers. Let's see. It decided to rain. Look at this rain. It's going crazy out there. I think, is that hail?
Mm-hmm.
It's hailing outside. Oh Lord, who's going out there? You going out there to get the car?
We might have to stay here till that thing calm down.
Didn't even use the lemon. Got lemon water, didn't even use the lemon.
I felt some type of way when she brought it over. I didn't know if her hand touched it or something.